Hey folks, this is Larry Hill at Larry Hill Ford and Larry Hill Imports with news about my big pre-owned truck and SUV sale going on now through Saturday. I've assembled an inventory of over 100 of the nicest 2008 through 2012 trucks and SUVs you've ever seen, and I'm having my first ever truck and SUV only sale right here at Larry Hill Ford and Larry Hill Imports in Cleveland. I've got Ford, Chevy, Dodge, Nissan, Toyota, and Jeep trucks and SUVs all in one location for this big sale. Everyone is hand-picked, and I bought them with volume discounts, and I'm passing the savings on to the buyer now through 7 p.m. this Saturday. I'll have finance reps on site for immediate credit approval, and I'm accepting any and all trades regardless of make, miles, condition, or payoff. If you want a nice hand-picked certified pre-owned truck or SUV, don't miss this sale going on now through Saturday right here at Larry Hill Ford and Larry Hill Imports in Cleveland. If it's a truck or an SUV you want, we've got it. Just take I-75 to exit 20 and go 1 mile east, or see us at LarryHillOnline.com. We hope to see you soon.